General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the week review. Okay. Which models hit, which models miss? We can get into the models. I was waiting on CPI and PPI to find the anchor point to trade, but the week just chopped. And I don't want to put risk unless things are in order and I have confluence. It's a big model. Identity progress did good. I wanted to push the way on some, I figured, no-brainer setups, but I respect it. Hold on. I'm just typing it, thinking too hard. I respect my trading plan because I did that before. Make money outside the plan using bread and butter. I want to be more strategic and select my shots better and do more with less. Case study log. No wins, no trade this week. Experience, learn, skill, sharpen. Sticking to the plan, really. That was good. Next week, improvement focus will be. I'm studying this price action book by Tim Moore called Barcode Logic. It's on Amazon for those that like to study. No, I don't have no thoughts on that. Let's go here. It's 9:13. Hold on, let me actually get this link and put it on the Telegram. This is way easier than printing out PDFs, so I'm glad I actually redid the Notion. Even though I kind of miss my old flow, I get more done with this flow, and my trade journal is like a trade planner with prompts to like put stuff together and whatnot. All right, so that's in there. And go here. Hold on. I think I gotta do my PO3 charts on my Saturday paper. Yeah, I do, because the way I got this set up, let me go look at next week, because next week is going to be a little bit better organized. Okay, that page is still the same for the most part, but my trade pages. Okay, yep. Daily delivery log. Okay, so that's charts. And then engagement, that's where, then if I don't trade, I put that there. Okay, I got that how I want it. So my power of 3 charts do go right here to end this week. Because this is just the prompts. So here. And I don't have to redo. The PDF because it's a link and the site updates automatically. Where is my accumulation? So this is good enough. Price broke here on Friday. We pushed up, then we pushed down. So really, closing above this candle should have been my focus, because this was the last push down. We accumulated orders. So if I'm doing power of 3 for this week, then this is the accumulation candle. I thought I had something else I could put text on. Yeah, that worked. Accumulation here. So we accumulated here, pushed down, and we stayed inside this. So us being up in here is like accumulating that fair value, which we use this to platform. And this is the key level here. Should go on the top left. Let's see what center looks like. So boom, we break above here. We're having trouble. We ran this. This is from here to here. We ran this here. I think I might need a different color. And from here, this is where we started to lift off. We started taking real liquidity. So us accumulating here in fair value, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Then we had retracement here. And it could have, is this OTE? No way, because this is like 90% or 80%. This came back 80%. You can't even form fit and say, well, you probably could form fit OTE. If you say from the start of the week to the high of this week, and you're form fitting, we came to 79%. So, you would have just had to be aware of that. And time of day, 10 a.m. It's a good time. So put here. Yeah, this is 10. Pushed up. Bing. 8. What is this? PPI? Nope, the down candle is right. Yeah, no, it's here. It is. This is PPI. Push down, boom. And then CPI's here. So our power of 3 is tacky. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, reaccumulated. Like, just a tacky week. Get me off of this. What did I hit? I done hit something. What did I hit? Let me hit escape. Oh, that's much better. I don't like this week. Tag key power 3 chart for NASDAQ. And I wanna, let me write that down too. Make sure end of week PO3 charts have a nice place. Here we go. Very tacky week delivery. Weekly delivery. Look at that. Weekly. Can't beat that. So this is NAS. This Saturday is PO3. Hold up. What in the world? Is it this? Let me do this. Why is this not centered? Let's try this. And then just do this. Okay. Now let's do this. And then do this. I don't know what I did, but that was interesting. All right, cool. Boom, boom, boom. So I just wanted to do this to be PO3. And I'm not going to completely revamp that because you never know. I might end up needing it. You don't want to over organize, delete some of this stuff. It's going into next week. This is this week. Monday, pushed up. Where is our accumulation here? We didn't take no liquidity here. We accumulated orders here. We engineer liquidity here. Push down. Actually, this is false. All we did, we ran this high, sold, came here. Terrible week. Let me line up this weekly open. Right here. Monday's range, just range box. We stayed inside this whole week. Open, create a range. We didn't. I think we took this liquidity. Then we took this liquidity. Ran sell side, ran buy side. Bullish still in range. Accumulated at around fair value of this range. Really. Watch this. I didn't mean to do that. But this is going to be interesting. So this is Monday's range. If we took out buy side, we took out sell side, and we just accumulated all week and then pushed up higher after CPI on Thursday. Monday created a bullish DR. And we spent all week inside it until CPI, and we went higher. Bullish DR, that's still in range. Charts, this is EUR. USD, and we just need one for power of 3. Time frame, PO3. Let's get this Weekly open here. Why we open here? Yeah, we did. We open here. Monday, pushed up. We ran this. So we had us like an order block here. So that's everything that took that high. We reacted to it here. This Tuesday sale made the most sense to Monday's low. Like, EU probably gave the best setups last week. And this is what, Tuesday high of the week? And this is Monday's low here. 2R. That's good enough. So pushed up, came back. So now we got this as a balanced area. We pushed down, retraced into it. Probably could have sold this to take this. Did we react off a key level? I don't think so. It just makes sense when we have this range is completely balanced. Then we trace back into it. We don't even push up no higher. Even say we'd be like, you form fit. You can say, oh, I sold this order block. I don't like time of day. I wouldn't even note that as a trade. This is really the only cool setup we got. We accumulate it, manipulate it, distribute it. Small little market maker right here. This is accumulation, manipulation. This is distribution right here. I do like this weekly profile though, because boom, boom, and then retrace. And I think we had a TGIF over here. It just was tacky. Nah, kind of just finished that here. Yeah, we pretty much finished in the middle of this range. What can I know? I'll say we accumulate orders here. We manipulate his orders here. We haven't did any distribution. Tuesday, the week. Any good setup on Tuesday? The rest of the week did nothing until CPI, and even then, we still just stayed at EQ of the week's range. All right, boom, boom, boom. All right, so that's done. And I got the note to update the template. So tomorrow, all I gotta do is the forecast, and I save myself maybe an hour and a half of work for tomorrow. But that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.